Yeah, this is Michael Williams from the Outside Lounge. Just supporting my brother Ricky Genius and his boat ride all white. So we're getting ready to board now and supposed to have a grand time tonight, and I'm looking forward to that.
But it's a white out.
Yeah, the white out thing, so everybody's all dressed in white. So, you know, food, drink, music, those are the ingredients for a fun night. All right, so we're looking forward to a fun night tonight.
Flag, bro?
I don't know, well, it's on the boat. It's on the boat. It's on the boat. Jamaican flag is on the boat. So the Outside Lounge crew is here, you know, so we have to come out and support my brother Ricky Genius. And as I said, fun, food, drink, and music. That's a fun night. All right, so Ricky Genius, big up yourself.
My name is Dr. Trevor Dixon, CEO and founder of the Jaja Foundation. Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaicans at home.
All right, so we're here at Ricky Genius's annual boat ride on August 6th. Jamaica celebrating 61 years of independence. Why was it so important for you to be here tonight?
Well, number one, we want to celebrate with our Jamaicans, near and far, who have come to this wonderful boat ride. Lots of people here. And even more important than that, Ricky Genius, have you seen us? He's been a large supporter of the Jaja Foundation. He is our DJ of the Jaja Foundation. So when he keeps something, we have to support him. The weather is beautiful, beautiful scene. You can see the Statue of Liberty. In the midst, the Statue of Liberty we're looking at. What more can you ask for? Looking at the Brooklyn Bridge.
The Brooklyn Bridge, the Manhattan Bridge.
Manhattan Bridge.
Downtown New York.
Downtown New York. New York City, folks. Where else we want to be?
Okay, well, thank you for coming out, and I hope you have a good night.
Sure, thank you.
All right, how are you, ma'am?
I'm fine.
Are you excited about this boat?
Oh yes, because I haven't been on a boat ride for over 10 years. So I'm very excited.
Okay.
And I hope to have a wonderful time with my friends.
And where's your flag?
My flag is hidden.
These are your friends here?
Yes.
Hi, friends.
It's on me.
Where are you guys coming from?
The flag is on me.
Oh, it's on you.
We're coming from Queens.
From Queens?
Yes.
Oh, I see it on your nail.
There it is.
Very nice, very nice. All right, hope you guys have a good night, all right?
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
So you come out to the Whiteout, Ricky Genius thing. How are you feeling today?
Feeling good. The boat now leave me today now.
Yeah, you brought your flag to celebrate Jamaica's independence?
Yeah, me I go borrow one over there, so.
Oh, okay. So you have the flag?
Yeah.
All right, well, thanks for coming out. Yeah?
All right, man. Much love. Respect.
respect.
Yeah.
Nice, beautiful lady here. How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing good.
I see you come out to the Ricky Genius boat ride.
Yes, I did.
What are your expectations tonight?
I want to get on the boat.
You want to start right there on the boat?
Yes.
Did you bring a Jamaican flag?
Yes, we do, right there.
Oh, yes, it's over there. All right, well, I hope you have a good night, yeah?
Thank you.
All right, thanks for coming out. You're coming on the boat ride?
Yeah, we're supposed to. That's why I'm here.
What me not say white outfit?
Well, that's how it goes. Everybody can white. Happy Independence, Jamaica, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. That's all I want to say. Happy Independence. I don't have much
You're
to
looking
say.
forward to a good night on the boat?
Yes, I am looking forward to a good night.
Very good. Your outfit
There's so
shot.
much-
Yeah, I guess
Yeah.
most congenial outfit for the night. How are you?
I'm good.
How are you feeling on this independence, 61st independence?
I'm feeling good, Greg. Our country. Every time. Yeah.
Now, the problem we want to have right here, even now have that problem, because
No problem. Send me a
what's on the flag there?
represent.
You see it?
Yeah, man.
What's your name, sir?
Carl.
How do you feel on Jamaica's 61st independence
Oh,
here?
man, I'm
White House?
feeling very proud. Very proud. Very, very proud.
And excited to have a nice night?
Yes, sir. Ready to go. Ready to go.
Yeah. Big up Jamaica.
What part are you from, sir?
I'm from St. James.
St. James. Big up St. James. That's where Montego Bay, though.
Montego Bay, the heart of Mobile. Cyril Gully. Big up Cyril Gully.
Scammaville.
Scammaville.
Big up Mobile,
Big
straight.
up Mobile. Cyril Gully.
Yeah,
Straight.
man. Nice.
Yeah, man.
What about who? What part?
Kingston 11. Kingston 11.
Oh, which- give
Walton
me a-
Park Road.
Walton Park.
77 Lane. We
Yeah.
are the ghetto. We are the ghetto people.
Yeah.
And we
Kingston
love
13. Kingston 13.
Where, which town is that in Kingston?
Maxfield Avenue. Kingston
Maxfield. Nice,
13.
nice,
Yeah.
nice.
We are neighbors.
Well, thank you
We are
guys for coming out.
neighbors.
And I hope you'll have a nice, beautiful, enjoyable night, all right?
Okay.
Thank you. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
How are you?
Fine.
61st independence of Jamaica. How do you feel about that?
Wonderful.
It's wonderful.
Yes, I
You
love it.
decided to come out to come and celebrate.
Oh, definitely so.
Lift up your flag. Let me see your flag.
Hey.
Nice. See the flag, nice. What parish in Jamaica are you from?
St. Catherine.
From St. Catherine?
Yeah. Bridgeport, St. Catherine.
Portmore?
Yes.
Over the
Portmore.
desert? Yeah? Well, thank you so much for coming out. We'll be boarding shortly, okay?
Okay. I'm going to be on TV.
You're going to be on the YouTube channel. YouTube. Pleasant good evening. How are you?
Pleasant, fun, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Caroline.
Caroline. What parish are you from in Jamaica?
I'm originally from,
Bonita.
I was born in Kingstown. I grew up in Claremont and I went to Pembroke Hall High School.
Right.
So I was Miss Pembroke Hall for...
Oh, you want Miss Pembroke Hall? Hold on, let's see. Your body's still sort out. Watch out, you win Miss Pembroke Hall.
Yes.
Right, well deserved, well deserved.
Yes.
So, are you excited about Jamaica's 61st independence?
Yes, very, very excited.
I see you have your flag. You came out with the flag ready.
Oh, yes, I'm excited.
And you decided to come and spend it here with Ricky Gina's on the boat today.
Oh, yes, definitely.
That's good.
Yes.
And what about you, ma'am?
Yes, so.
What is your name?
Denise. I am Denise.
And where are you from in Jamaica?
Originally born in St. Elizabeth, but grew up in Spanish Town.
Yeah?
Except in Spanish Town.
Well, I'm very happy that you decided to come out today. Do you feel good about Jamaica being 61 years old?
Of course. And the girls did us proud today.
Right.
The volleyball, they won, I think, and the netballers they got come third place.
Right.
That's good. That's a present for us.
And the judge that taking over the case.
The Trump case.
Yes, yes.
What a piece of thing. Jamaica
Yes,
going good.
Jamaica is on top. I love my...
I'm the one to take with the visa there.
All right, well.
I'm a citizen, so I can...
Well, listen. I hope you guys have a beautiful evening.
Thank
The
you
boat
so
will
much.
be boarding shortly.
Oh, Lord.
Right, so just continue, please be patient, okay? All right, good evening.
Evening.
How do you feel on the 61st Independence, Jamaican Independence Day here?
Feel good.
Feeling good?
Yeah.
Came out to celebrate?
Yeah.
And it was important for you to be out here with the people today?
Yes.
All right, well, I hope you have a good time, eh?
Yes, thank you.
I see you have a sign on a sash that said it's your birthday. Pleasant good evening to you. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
You're Jamaican? Where are you from?
Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rican?
Yes.
Okay, well, big up Puerto Rico. Why did you decide to come and join us here on this Jamaican party tonight?
Friends.
Your friends?
Yes.
You want to hear some reggae music?
Yes.
And some dancehall? Well, very good. Thanks for coming out. You'll be going on the boat shortly, okay?
Okay.
Good evening, everyone. Why don't I hide as the camera come? When our outfit start out, when I look beautiful, I want to hide. I want to deal it. Because the wait?
We are standing here for too long. Wait.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that. They're boarding now, so they'll be going on shortly. Can I talk to you a quick second here, nice lady in the nice, pretty white black glasses here? How do you feel about Jamaica's 61st independence?
Happy about it.
Very happy?
Yes.
That the British not ruling us anymore?
Very happy about that. Yeah, right?
All right, have a good night, ladies.
All right.
Good evening, sir. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
How do you feel about Jamaica's 61st independence?
You're not Jamaican.
He's Jamaican. How are you say? Him sound like a Jamaican.
Yeah, man.
You can't fool me, we know the man's voice.
Yeah.
And I see you come out with the flag here to celebrate, sir. Very good. What about your beautiful wife here? You're his wife, right? You're his wife?
Soon to be.
Okay. I see that you're in your nice Jamaican colors and things.
Yeah, straight up, laddie.
How do you, your earrings shot me like the slippers?
Thank you.
How do you feel about Jamaica being 61 years old?
Oh, I want to reach there too.
Yeah? Well, you look like about 35 right now.
Oh no, I'm more up, I'm more up.
You see the line, I move, look at that. Everybody moving now. All right, have fun tonight. Pleasant good evening, nice lady. How are you?
Hi, good evening. I'm okay.
So what made you decide to come out tonight to come and celebrate the independence here with us?
I'm Jamaican. It's Jamaican Independence. I'm out to celebrate.
Yeah, but where is the flag? I'm not seeing a flag or no colors.
Why didn't you make the dress code, the
They should
flag?
have made the dress code, the
And
flag
you wouldn't have to have
colors,
flag.
and then...
Why you not trace? Hold on, why you not trace me? What are they
How
doing?
do you have Jamaica independence and it's white? There's no white in our flag.
Oh my
That's
God.
the white man color. You're taking in a white, this is a white man trip per hours.
All right, I'll talk to the boss, okay? I'll pass on the
Independence, I need to have a color. That's why I wear yellow in my pants.
Okay, I see you. You're violating the white rule.
Exactly.
Real Jamaican.
Yeah.
Good evening there, my brother. How you doing?
Good.
What made you decide to come out here to celebrate the 61st?
Celebrating my heritage. My beautiful sister here is here from England for another event. And she wanted to experience a boat ride, so we're here to celebrate independence as well as take advantage of the boat ride.
Well, you'll be on the boat shortly. Thank you for coming out.
Thank you.
And I hope you have a great time.
Thank you.
You want to give me an example of how you can bubble later on? Hello. Hello, my beautiful people. Ma'am, how are you this evening? Pleasant good evening. How are you?
I'm good till you came along.
I like the flag around the neck. Soft out and thing. Nice. How do you feel about Jamaica being 61 years old?
Same way I felt when it was 60.
Oh yeah? No change?
No change.
And what made you come out tonight to celebrate on the boat?
I just wanted to have a good time.
And be with your people?
Yeah.
Okay, well thank you for coming out, yeah? And have a nice time on the boat. The boat loading Charlie, alright?
Mm-hmm.
Hang in there. Pleasant good evening, nice lady. How are you?
Sir, I don't want to talk on your mic.
Oh, you don't want to talk? You're shy? Yes. Okay, I appreciate it. Good evening, nice lady. How are you?
I'm good. How you doing?
Thank you for coming out. We appreciate you coming out. How do you feel about Jamaica being 61 years old?
Great. I wish I was there right now.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I hope you'll have a nice, beautiful evening. I see a friend here with a flag. Hello, how are you?
I'm doing good.
I see you have the flag there. You came to represent the true colors of the island. Nice.
Very proud.
What made you decide to join us on the boat today?
Friends and celebrating Jamaica Independence Day.
We appreciate you coming out. Thanks for coming out, okay?
You're welcome.
And what about you, nice sir? Good gentleman?
Good enough.
Good?
Yeah,
What parish in Jamaica are you from?
St. Catherine.
Big up St. Catherine.
Yeah, man. Portmore Street. Yeah.
You mean over there in the desert? Thanks for coming out, yeah?
All right.
Hope you have a good time on the boat.
Cool, no, man.
All right, respect. Good evening, good evening. How are you, nice lady?
Good.
How do you feel about Jamaica being 61 years old?
Oh, very good. Very nice.
Happy about that?
Yes, I am happy about that.
Okay, and what made you decide to come out on the boat party tonight?
Well, I always, every year, yes,
You come out?
I come out.
Okay, well, thank you for coming out, okay?
You're
What about
welcome.
you, sir? How do you feel about Jamaica being 61 years old?
I'm Haitian.
You're from Haiti? Big up Haiti, our neighbor, that family.
Yeah, family.
All right, and you're from Haiti also, ma'am?
No, that's my mother.
All right,
That's
your mother.
my daughter.
Okay, you look like sisters.
Oh,
Very
thank
nice.
you.
Yeah. Well, nice to see that you came out, okay? Thank you. I have to come and talk to this nice lady in a nice outfit. Good evening, lady. How are you?
I'm okay.
You're camera shy? Well, thank you for coming out. I appreciate you coming out on the boat, all right?
Thank you too.
Okay. Oh, look at this beautiful lady here. How are you, ma'am? Good evening.
Good. Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. How do you feel about Jamaica being 61 years old?
Great.
Feel great? So you decided to come out and celebrate?
Absolutely.
Where's the flag?
I don't need no flag. I'm Jamaican.
Okay, I didn't bring your flag. Okay, thank you. What about you, ma'am? I like your scarf. It's a nice accent there on your white outfit.
There we go.
If I were to grade your fashion, I'll give it 10 out of 10. The fashion sort out. And your daughters are going hard. So what made you decide to come out here to celebrate today?
I'm supporting the promoter.
All right, Ricky Genius. Very good. And are you pleased with where Jamaica is after 61 years of independence?
I have no comment.
No comment. We know what that means. Have yourself a beautiful night now.
And you too now.
Yeah, all right. Pleasant good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm well.
How do you feel about Jamaica being 61 years old?
Great.
Feel great?
Yeah.
And so you decided to come out to celebrate?
Exactly.
Well, I hope you have a nice, wonderful time on the boat, okay?
Thank you.
All right, nice. Good evening, good evening.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
How do you feel about Jamaica being 61 years old?
Fire.
I'm tired.
Are you tired? We're both in Charlotte. What about you, sir? How do you feel about Jamaica being 61 years old?
61?
Yeah.
Excellent, man. And more prosperity.
Nice.
Prosperity.
So you decided to come out and celebrate tonight?
Yes, sir.
I hope you guys have a great time on the boat, okay?
I think I will.
Yeah, the boarding is going on. You'll be on shortly, okay? Pleasant good evening, ma'am.
Hello.
How are you?
Okay.
What parish in Jamaica are you from?
Well, I was born in Kingston.
Yeah, Kingston. Big up Kingston.
Big up Kingston.
Yeah, how do you feel about Jamaica being 61 years old?
I feel proud. I feel
Proud.
good that day, to 61, yeah.
Right? And so you decided to come out and celebrate today.
Yeah, definitely.
And I see you have your flag.
Yes.
All right. Well,
Yeah.
nice. Thank you for coming out. We appreciate you. Okay.
Okay.
What about you, nice lady? Your makeup is very, very nice. I like your makeup.
Thank you.
What parish in Jamaica are you from?
Kingston.
Kingston too. Which area in Kingston?
Which area? Red Hills.
Red Hills. Okay.
That's actually St. Andrew.
Right. But we know what you mean. So, what do you think about Jamaica being 61 years old? Neither here nor there to you.
Neither here nor there.
Age is just a number.
It's just a number, and they haven't really progressed. So, we've kind of gone backwards. So,
Okay.
what's the point in being 61?
We're not progressing.
If you're still acting like you're 15.
Right.
So.
Well, we appreciate you coming out. I hope you'll have a nice evening on the boat.
Thank you.
And party like it's 1999. Okay.
All right.
All right. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Pleasant good evening, ma'am.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
You decided to come out here tonight to celebrate Jamaica's 61st independence on the boat.
Yeah.
What made you decide that?
Because I'm Jamaican by injection.
Oh, you have a Jamaican crew right here.
Yeah.
Nice. So them recruit you as a Jamaican. You're from Guyana.
Yes.
Big up Guyana.
Thank you.
Our family that Guyana, yeah. Well, I hope you'll have a nice time on the boat.
I will.
Have fun and dance to the dancehall music, alright?
Always.
Nice.
Always.
Nice. Good. Nice lady who looking on her phone and going like, see me. Pleasant good evening. What about you?
Yes.
Oh, I like that green accent on your makeup there. Very nice.
Thank you.
Pleasant good evening. How are you? How do you feel about Jamaica being 61 years old?
Honestly, I feel excellent.
You good about it?
Yeah.
Well, and it made you wanted to come out and celebrate tonight?
Sure, and today's my birthday as well.
Your birthday? Happy birthday to you. If I were a singer, I'd sing you a song, but I can't sing. Okay. All right, so
I'm just supporting you. I'm not Jamaican.
She's not Jamaican.
You're not Jamaican. Where are you from?
America.
America. Big up America.
Yeah.
Well, hope you have a nice time on the boat, okay? And thank you for coming out.
Okay.
Okay. Pleasant good evening, nice lady. I like your hairstyle, very nice.
Thank you.
The camera like that kind of color on her. Yeah? So, what made you decide to come out tonight?
Independence.
You just want to come and celebrate with the people? Where's the flag?
On my heart.
A flag in your heart, okay. Well, thank you for coming out, okay? All right, see you on the boat. How are you?
Good.
Now, are you Jamaican?
Definitely.
What parish in Jamaica are you representing?
St. Andrew.
St. Andrew, big up St. Andrew. How do you feel about Jamaica being 61 years old?
Bigger and better things.
Bigger and better things? Okay. And you decided to come out to be with your family, your Jamaican family, to celebrate tonight, huh?
Definitely.
Well, thank you for coming out. We appreciate you, all right? Have a good evening, all right? Pleasant good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
It's an all-white party. I see you looking a nice, beautiful necklace, accent, Jamaican color thing. Very good, nice. If I were to grade you for the fashion police, I give you a 9.5 out of 10. If you had on a little green, then you get 10 out of 10, all right?
Okay. All right.
How do you feel about Jamaica being 61 years old?
Fabulous.
Fabulous?
It's
Happy
nice.
about it?
Yeah, happy.
Right?
Yeah.
And you wanted to come out and be with the people tonight, huh?
Yeah.
Right,
Why
celebrate.
not? Celebrate. I prefer to be in Jamaica though,
Right.
than being here.
Well, we appreciate you coming out. I'm sure you're going to have a good time on the boat, okay?
I would hope so.
Yeah. Have a good one.
Thanks.
What about you, my brother? Pleasant good evening to you.
Pleasant good evening to you.
What parish in Jamaica are you representing?
St. Catherine, Spanish
Big up
Town.
St. Catherine, big up Spain Town.
Yeah, real.
Yeah, Chronic's place, right?
Of course.
De La Vega.
De La Vega. Handsome.
All right.
Yeah.
What made you decide to come out tonight?
Came out to support the promoter.
Promoters and friends.
With my brethren.
Good. Them always play the song there from Popcorn that say family and
yeah.
represent the friend, you know?
One love.
Right. Well, I appreciate you coming out, you know? Have a good night on the boat.
Thank you.
I see, is the Jamaican flag up? In the pocket. All right, there you go. Thank you. Oh, what a nice, beautiful lady. Pleasant good evening. How are you?
Good evening.
What made you decide to come out tonight?
I do it every year. Come celebrate Jamaica.
Year thing to support the Jamaican boat ride? Okay, well, we appreciate you coming out. What parish in Jamaica are you from?
Kingston, Jamaica.
Kingston, St. Andrew. Okay. Big up Kingston and St. Andrew. Are you happy with the state of Jamaica here on our 61st birthday?
If I'm happy?
Yeah, with how Jamaica is on our 61st birthday. Do you think we've made enough progress?
I don't think so.
You don't think
But
so?
that's my opinion.
Okay. Well, thank you for coming out and hope you have a nice time on the boat, okay?
Okay, thank you.
And I don't mean to disrupt your text message or what you're doing. I just wanted to ask you a quick question. How do you feel about Jamaica 61st birthday?
It's amazing. That's where I should be now, right?
Be down there?
No, we should be on.
No, we should down at Jamaica right now, bar right now, right?
Right. We should be over El Shaggy and some.
Over Hillside down at Jamaica having a nice time. Well, this will substitute for now, right?
Right.
Of course.
A little bit.
Right, well, we thank you for coming out and hope you'll have a nice night on the boat, okay?
Yes.
What about you, brother? How you doing?
All right.
Which parish in Jamaica represented?
Me? All over.
Everywhere?
Yeah, man.
Okay, well.
Anyway, at Kingston, you know.
Kingston, okay.
Victoria Jubilee, my band, you know.
Yeah? What made you decide to come out here tonight to celebrate?
Because I pay fun. And I have nothing to do with independence.
No?
You know what I'm saying? Me just have fun. See?
Okay.
And besides, the whole family gone, I'm seeing the house with by myself.
Right.
Alright? I mean, I'm not furniture, that's why we're there. So.
Ricky.
Ricky Junior.
The family.
Connection, yeah?
Okay. Well, thank you for coming out. We appreciate you, yeah?
Yeah, man, respect.
Good evening, ma'am. A nice outfit. You can't just walk past. How are you dealing? How are you today?
I'm well. I'm well, thank you.
Right. So you came out to celebrate Jamaica's 61st independence and Ricky Gina's big bad boat ride.
Right.
Why? Why did you decide that?
Because I'm with my family and friends.
With the family here?
Yeah.
Nice family. Nice, beautiful people. All right. I hope you have a nice night.
Thank
okay?
you. You
Come on.
too.
Thanks for coming out. Good evening, nice lady. Chewing the bubble gum. How are you?
I'm good.
What about you? How are you tonight?
Good.
How do you feel about Jamaica being 61 years old?
Very good.
You're very good? Are you happy with
My daughter born on that day, Independent Day.
Yeah.
It's her birthday.
How old is she
Happy
today?
birthday, Queenie. She's 28.
Okay, you look like you're 28. So I understand that. Thank you for coming out, all right?
You're welcome.
Yeah, man. Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Good evening. I'm good.
Well, you decided to come out here on the Ricky Gina's boat ride. What made you decide that tonight?
Well, actually, it's my birthday on the 2nd, and so 2nd of August.
Okay.
So I try to enjoy myself as much as I can. Plus, my brother Fire from Florida.
Yeah, man.
And
Big up,
he
big up.
wanted
This
to come.
is your crew right here. Okay, nice. Nice. Well, I hope you'll have a nice, beautiful time on the boat, all right?
Yes, and I went before on for my birthday, so I'll be doing this every year if they have it. Every year.
Okay, you're a loyal. You're a loyal fan for life.
Yes.
All right. Well, thanks for coming out, and I hope you have a nice night. Okay.
Yes.
Good evening, nice lady in the beautiful outfit. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Looking like the Queen of Sheba. Yeah.
Thank you.
So, Jamaica is 61 years old today. How do you feel about that?
I feel great.
You're great about it. What parish are you from?
St. Catherine.
St. Catherine. Big up St. Catherine. From Portmore or from
Linstead.
Linstead. Okay,
Yes.
Linstead area. Okay. What made you decide to come out to the boat ride?
Because I was here last year and I had fun, so I
You
decided
wanted to
come.
get fun again. Okay.
Yes.
Well, thanks for coming out. We appreciate you. Okay. Hello, ladies.
Hello, hi.
Pleasant good evening.
Pleasant good evening.
How are you?
Pretty good.
How do you guys feel about Jamaica being 61 years old?
Very excited.
And what made you decide to come out to the boat ride?
Oh, this is a yearly thing and we come every year to support our fellow Jamaicans. So this is a big day for us to celebrate Independence Day. All whites is the best.
And you, what you have to say? You're not saying nothing all now. You don't have nothing to say.
Excited.
Yeah, you're silent. Okay, just speak for you. Okay, well, thank you guys for coming out. And I'm sure you're going to have a beautiful night, okay?
Yes, thank you.
Pleasant good evening, sir. How are you?
Great.
Now, because of the lighting thing, we have to turn away here. With the light coming in away here. Here we go.
Yeah.
So how do you feel on Jamaica's 61st Independence Day here?
Great.
Feeling good?
Great.
And so you decided to come and hang out with the Jamaican family for the evening?
Yes.
Well, we appreciate you coming out. Thanks for coming out, okay?
Pleasure.
And I'm sure you're going to have a nice, beautiful evening on the boat.
Definitely, most definitely.
All right, respect. Here?
Yeah, man.
Go on through. Yeah, man. Even the next pose. Go ahead there. Give her the pose. Yes. Naomi Campbell now. Give us the Naomi Campbell pose. Yes. Nice. Tyra Banks now. Yes. Flash your hair. Yeah. Lovely. Very good. Thank you. What inspired your fashion tonight? I like your glasses.
Thank you.
You're not telling me? Huh?
Ricky Genius.
Ricky Genius. Inspired it. All right. Well, thank you.
Celebrate Jamaica's 61st.
Right. Well, thank you for coming out, okay?
Thank you.
And I hope you'll have a nice, beautiful night.
Thank you.
Okay, looking great, all right? You thought I
Hi,
forgot about
Garvin.
it. Hi, how are you?
Good.
Jamaica is celebrating 61 years of independence. What are your thoughts on the state of the country?
I don't think I'm in a good position to talk about the state of the country. I have too much going on here to follow here with Mr. Trump, etc. Therefore, I don't have all that capacity to follow here plus Jamaica.
I can respect that.
Yes.
So you decided to come out here on the Jamaica's 61st independence to celebrate here on Ricky Gino's Big Bad Boat Ride. Why did you make that decision?
Because I had time and I wanted to celebrate independence. So as much as I don't follow everything that's going on back home, I am patriotic enough to come out and celebrate.
Or fun-loving enough.
Don't put words in my mouth, Barbie. Don't put words in my mouth.
Well, we appreciate you.
Ask these lovely ladies.
Hello, ladies. Beautiful evening.
Hi, this is my friend Garvin.
Beautiful ladies. Well, thank you for coming out with your entourage, and everybody's looking so nice.
My posse. Thank you.
And
Good
I
to
hope
see
you all
you,
have a
Garvin.
nice, beautiful evening.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Okay, I'll see you on the boat.
All right. See you on the boat.
Right?
Okay.